This is how a dog sneezes. This is our dog Haley. She makes a funny face and then turns her head and sneezes. Let's watch her. See what she does. See, she's smiling. Did you see that, folks?
Yeah.
So hilarious, huh? We should show this to Dad. He didn't want to see this. It's funny how she makes that face. She's been sneezing like this. Now she's just making that funny face for the camera. We was just singing. We was making up songs, and then she started to sneeze when we came over. We said we wanted her to be the judge dog.
That probably made her nervous.
Maybe. And then it was so funny that she just started to sneeze, so we watched. Then I had to get the camera because it was so funny. So we're just going to watch her, see what she does. Because it's really funny. Hey, she's such a dork. Sometimes she's just a dork. She kept on sneezing earlier. You should have seen it. I wish I died on tape earlier. But no, it wasn't. I should have. Ooh, let's follow her. See what she does. She just sneezed. Okay, careful. You're going to stare her. And there's Tobin. Hi, Tobin.
You're on camera.
And there's Haley. She sneezed again. Speed. Here. There she is. And there's Tobin. He's coming over. Okay. So, there she goes. There's Haley. There's Dad. Say hi, Dad.
Okay, what's wrong?
There's Tobin and Haley's right there.